Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 350B auto scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace the float and filter, or just the filter, or just the float. Super simple. Take the tabs, twist, and it comes apart like that. Now, if you just need to replace the float, pull it apart, get your new float, put it back together, line it back up, and lock it into place. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.